Why do at-home facial massages fail? Because we skip the foundation. Tight neck and scalp muscles literally pull your face down, causing sagging. You must warm up your head, neck, and décolleté to release tension. Right now, we're going to work through this crucial foundation together. Get comfortable, play this video before any facial massage you do, and just follow along with me.
Waking up, looking at the man in the mirror. Finally the vision's getting a little bit clearer. I used to let the whispers tell me I wasn't enough, but I'm built for the pressure, I'm made for the rough. Every scar, every fall, it was just a part of the plan. Now I'm standing tall, doing the best that I can. Yeah, I had to lose my way just to find my soul, giving up the pieces to finally feel whole. I'm vibing on a frequency they can't touch. I realize I don't need much, cause I am enough. Oh, I know that everything's gonna work out. I'm letting go of every shadow of a doubt. I love the way I'm growing, I love the way I feel. I'm keeping it honest, I'm keeping it real. Yeah, I got that spark, I got that glow. Wherever I go, I'm in the flow. I know it's gonna happen, I feel it in my chest. I'm choosing me today, I'm choosing the best. They try to project their fears, but I don't let them in. I'm comfortable right here inside of my skin. Focus on the peace, focus on the light. I'm winning the battle, I'm winning the fight. It's a marathon, baby, not a sprint to the end. I finally become my own best friend. Even when the storm clouds try to block my view, I know the sun is waiting, shining right through. I'm the captain of the ship, I'm the author of the page. I'm stepping into favor, I'm coming of age. Oh, I know that everything's gonna work out. I'm letting go of every shadow of a doubt. I love the way I'm growing, I love the way I feel. I'm keeping it honest, keeping it real. Yeah, I got that spark, I got that glow. Wherever I go, I'm in the flow. Write it on your wrist so you don't forget. When the day turns heavy and your shirt's all sweat, every small breath is a brand new door. You can walk back in to your own heart's core. Always remember your mission when the noise gets loud. Open your heart to miracles right here, right now. Every day you are the world. You are enough somehow. Choose yourself in coffee going cold, scrolling through the news. All those shining faces telling you you lose. Lift your tired eyes from that tiny screen. There's a bigger sky than the one you've seen. Oh yeah. Always remember your mission when the noise gets loud. Open your heart to miracles right here, right now. Every day you are the world. You are enough somehow. Choose yourself in it's a quiet vow made under your breath. I'll be on my side until my last step. When you fall apart, when you feel too much, be the hand you need, be your own soft touch. Always remember your mission when the noise gets loud. Open your heart to